Promise that you'll catch me. Promise that you'll catch me.
Assalamualaikum guys and welcome back to my channel. Seperti tajuk mestilah saya ni dapat invite untuk menjadi pramugara ya. Itulah honor kapal terbang ni ya guys. Okey. Tengok guys. Sangat. Wait a minute. Dia ada makanan lain. Aduh hai. Banyaknya makanan dia. Oh guys. Kita akan skip ya guys. Kita akan tunjuk dekat isu-isu penting je ya guys. Okey. Okey jap guys. Saya nak susun-susun. Jadi korang boleh tengok, saya akan cepatkan video ni. Okey lah guys. Kita dah susun-susun barang. Sekarang ni kita akan guna mikrofon.
Salam Sejahtera, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of Malaysia Airlines, Flight MI5371, the captain and our cabin crew would like to say welcome you on board.
Bos, ada apa-apa nak cakap ke? Bos? Bos Filipina? Ekonomi macam tak gerak lagi ya? Nak check ke? Check je lah. Ekonomi. Yelah, kita ni kerja ikhlas. Masuk balik dah guys.
Bro, it's Philippine Airlines.
Sorry. Aduh. Kita tadi Malaysia Airlines. Sekejap. Kita check dulu. Global. Sekejap. Sorry. Aduh. Sorry, broski. Tu kita pergi Malaysia Airlines pula. Sorry. Lupa. Di Philippine Airlines. Tapi nanti kita akan guna sebab itu je kita ada. Sekejap. Ekonomi memang tak gerak ke? Bos. Ekonomi. Ekonomi macam tak gerak lagi je. Apalah. Dia dah check ke memang tak ada ekonomi? Ekonomi ada banyak tu. Tapi itulah. Tak. Lanjut. Tengok. Ekonomi. Okey. Ekonomi. Jadi mengendamun ke ni? Bos, ekonomi ada. Okey, jom kita check. Ada tab to check. Okey. Apa tadi? Apa? Faster for economy. Ekonomi dia dah start. Tak apa dah, kita tekan je. Just tekan. Tak apa, dia dah start. Bagus. Dah ada bagi peringatan. Okey, kita akan guna pilih safety demo.
Ladies and gentlemen, your safety is our priority. Please pay attention to the safety demonstration. Seatbelts must be worn at all times when seated. Smoking is not allowed on this flight.
Okey, kita dah ambil barang. Jom kita minta je active safety demo. Please. Tak yalah. Dia baca tak aktif pun. Tak apalah. Biar kita buat sendiri. Okey, di bag kita. Ini adalah tali pinggang. Sila pakai ya. Lepas tu kalau ada emergency pakai macam ni. Lepas tu jangan lupa barang je. Okey, itu je untuk safety demo. Jangan sana cik. Okey lah guys, kita kena cepatkan. Okey guys.
Mabahay, welcome to Philippine Airlines.
Today, so
Ladies and
the seatbelt sign
gentlemen,
should
all
remain
cellular
optimal.
devices
Right?
must have airplane
Thanks
mode
for flying
turned
with
on.
us, and
Thank
once
you.
again, welcome aboard.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are preparing for departure. Please ensure your seatbelt is fastened, your seat back and tray table are upright, and all carry-on items are stowed.
Okey, kita pula ya guys. Tumbler.
Ladies and gentlemen, the captain has switched on the seatbelt sign. Please return to your seats and keep your seatbelt fastened. Ladies and
Flight
gentlemen,
attendants, please be
we will
seated
be
for
dimming the
takeoff.
cabin lights to enhance your comfort during the flight.
Now we request for the attention
Lah,
of
baru nak mesti demo. Aduh, dalam Filipin. Terbang. Okey. Jom kita terbang. Fly Philippines fly. Fly high. Ya Allah, banyaknya makanan dia, guys. Aduh, pening lah, guys. Aduh. Macam mana ni? Patutlah dia suruh invite. Aduhai, aduh.
This is your captain from the flight deck. We have started our initial descent and will be landing soon. Thanks for flying with us, and we hope to see you again soon.
Ladies and gentlemen, the captain has switched on the seatbelt sign. Please return to your seats and keep your seatbelt fastened. Attention dear passengers, we are arriving shortly. Please prep for arrival. Ladies and gentlemen, we will be landing at destination soon. Thank you for flying Malaysia Airlines. Salam Sejahtera.
Malaysia Airlines juga kita letak, guys, sebab kita malas nak edit-edit.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are
Apa ni?
preparing for landing. Please
Oh,
return to your
we are
seats, fasten your
preparing
seatbelt,
for
place your seat back and tray table upright,
Okay,
and stow any
okay.
remaining items.
Jom buat tugas balik. Okay guys, kita dah sampai pun je guys. Okay, jom kita mana. Landing.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are already landing. Thanks you for flying Malaysia Airlines. Salam Sejahtera.
Okay lah guys, jadi itulah dia video hari ni ya guys. Kalau korang nak ajak, nak invite saya juga, korang boleh add friend saya dan bagi tahu saya komen atau chat dekat Roblox. Okay, bye korang. Assalamualaikum.